Hello, dear students. We are studying chapter number 2, named We Are Not Afraid to Die If We All Can Be Together, written by Gordon Cook. In this story, the narrator tells us about his voyage. Okay? And in the previous class, we got to know about his sea route and also how they started their journey towards the east. Now, let us continue the story. At dawn on January 2, the waves were gigantic. Dawn means early morning. It is the time before sunrise. Okay, sunrise के पहले का जो समय होता है उसको हम कहते हैं dawn. And the day was January 2. The waves were gigantic. Now further he says that the waves मतलब जो समुद्र की लहरें थी वो कैसी थी? Gigantic. Gigantic means enormous or we can say very big, huge. Okay, we were sailing with only a small storm zib and were still making 8 knots. Now he says that they had only a small storm zib, means it is a part of a ship, triangular in shape, and were still making 8 knots. Means उनकी जो speed थी ship की वो कितनी थी? 8 knots. It's a unit of measuring the speed. As the ship rose to the top of each wave, we could see endless enormous sea rolling towards us. Rolling means your coming. Okay, when they moved ahead, they saw that the enormous sea was rolling towards them, and the screaming of the wind and spray was painful to the ears. And the screaming means loud noise, and this loud noise was made by the winds. Winds के through जो loud noise हो रहा था, उसके साथ में क्या आ रहा था? पानी का spray. And these two were making noise, and it was very painful to their ears. To slow the boat down, as the speed of the boat was very high, so they slowed it and dropped the storm zip. So they dropped means they just dropped this storm zip in their ship and lashed a heavy mooring. यानी कि वो storm zip को down कर लेते हैं and lashed means tied. और बांध देते हैं किस चीज को? हैवी mooring मतलब एक भारी सी रस्सी होती है शिप में, उसमें एक लूप बना के, लूप मतलब एक गांठ बना के इस टाइप की, across the stern. Stern is the back part of the ship. तो शिप के बैक पार्ट से वो नीचे की तरफ रस्सी का mooring बना के उसको, सॉरी नॉट mooring, लूप बना के नीचे फेंक देते हैं so that they can slow down the speed of the ship. Then we double lashed everything. Now he says that they double lashed means they double tied everything in the ship. जो भी सामान था उसको डबल बांध लेते हैं. Went through our life raft drill. Then they started to take the drill. They attached lifelines. Dawn oil skin. Dawn means waterproof जो उनके jackets थे. Okay, waterproof. And लाइफ जैकेट्स ये सब उन्होंने पहन के तैयारी कर ली थी सी, जो डेंजरस सी थी, वेव्स थी, उनसे बचने के लिए. ऑल राइट. The first indication of impending disaster, as they were in danger in the sea, that was the roughest sea, so they saw the impending. Impending means approaching, upcoming. जो उनकी तरफ बढ़ता हुआ आ रहा था वो डिजास्टर देखा उन्होंने. Disaster means their danger. It came at about 6 p.m. और ये शाम को 6 बजे आता है. With an ominous silence. Now what is ominous silence? That is called threatening silence. एक ऐसी चुप्पी जो डराने वाली हो. Generally it comes before the storm. तूफान से आने से पहले होता है. The wind dropped. Wind had stopped blowing and the sky immediately grew dark. जो आसमान था वो एकदम से काला हो जाता है. Then came a growing roar. Then they heard a loud roaring sound and an enormous cloud. Enormous means very big cloud towered aft of the ship, and it covered the whole entire ship. With horror means with fear, I realized, means felt, that it was not a cloud. Actually, it was not a cloud, but a wave like no other I had ever seen. The narrator tells that it कोई cloud नहीं था, बल्कि एक बड़ी सी समुद्र की लहर थी जो उन्होंने पहले कभी नहीं देखी थी. It appeared perfectly vertical, and the shape of this wave was vertical and almost twice the height of the other waves. और जो बाकी की लहरें थी उनसे इसकी हाइट बिल्कुल डबल थी. With a frightful breaking crest. और ये कैसे आया? एक डरावने तरीके से. Frightful means fearful. Breaking, एक crest को breaking मतलब तोड़ते हुए. While breaking the crest. Crest is the top part of the wave. यानी कि बहुत ज़्यादा हाइट पे जाती है सी वेव और फिर वहाँ से उसका जो टॉप का हिस्सा होता है टूट के नीचे की तरफ गिरता है. Then further the narrator says the roar increased to a thunder. अब वो जो roar थी वो किस में बदल गई थी? thunder में. as the stern moved up the face of the wave, क्योंकि जो उनका stern था, जो बैक पार्ट था शिप का, वो मूव हो गया था किस तरफ के लिए? द फेस ऑफ द वेव, वेव के फेस की तरफ के लिए. एंड फॉर अ मोमेंट आई थॉट वी माइट राइड ओवर इट. फॉर अ मोमेंट द ऑथर थॉट दैट दे कैन राइड देयर मीन्स सेल देयर शिप ओवर इट. But then a tremendous explosion shook. Tremendous means a huge, explosion means blast came and it shook the deck. और इसने उनके deck को shook कर दिया, हिला दिया. Deck means floor of the ship. जो ship का जो नीचे का floor होता है, फर्श होता है. A torrent of green and white water broke over the ship. My head smashed into the wheel and I was aware of flying overboard and sinking below the waves. Then a torrent means a big overflow of water and it was green and white in color. It broke over, it came over their ship, and due to this his head, the narrator's head, smashed means hit, it was hit to the wheel, and I was aware of flying overboard, and he thought, he was totally aware that he is now going to be off the boat. Overboard means off the boat, मतलब शिप से बाहर. जो उनकी बोट थी, शिप थी, वेव वॉकर, वो उससे बाहर गिरने वाला है. And sinking below the waves, and he knew that now he will be there, he will under the waves. And I accepted my approaching death. That time he accepted, he admitted that now it's time for him to die. And as I was losing consciousness, that time he started losing his consciousness, means he became unconscious, and he felt quite peaceful, and he felt that everything was peaceful there around him. Generally, there was not a peace, but everything was there. They were in danger, and there was totally the loud noise of the wind and the waves. But as he was becoming unconscious, he felt that quietness there. Okay, so let's move to the next paragraph of the chapter. Okay, unexpectedly my head popped out of the water. Now when he was in the waves, his head came out of the water. A few meters away, wave walker was near capsizing. Capsizing means it was about to overturn. जो शिप थी वो पलटने ही वाली थी. Her mast almost horizontal. उसका जो मास्ट था, जो एक पोल होता है शिप में, वो हॉरिजेंटल होने वाला था. Then a wave hurled her upright. तभी एक वेव आती जो उसको फिर से सीधा खड़ा कर देती है, सीधा कर देती है. माई लाइफ लाइन जर्क टॉड, एंड उनकी जो लाइफ लाइन थी वो स्ट्रेच हुई. एंड ही ग्रैब द गार्ड रेल्स एंड सेल थ्रू द एयर इनटू द वेव वॉकर मीन्स मेन बूम. तभी ऑथर वहां से फिर मेन बूम में आ जाते हैं. बूम मीन्स पोल दैट कंट्रोल्स द एंगल एंड शेप ऑफ द सेल. ओके, तो यानी कि वो अपनी शिप में वापस आ जाते हैं. सब्सिक्वेंट वेव्स टॉस्ड मी अराउंड द डेक लाइक अ रैग डॉल. रैग डॉल मीन्स एक टॉन डॉल, एक फटी हुई गुड़िया की तरह. जो वहाँ पे सी वेव्स थी वो उनको टॉस मतलब उछाल रही थी हवा में. ठीक है. माई लेफ्ट रिब्स क्रैक्ड. जो उनकी लेफ्ट साइड की जो रिब्स थी, कर्व जो बोन्स होती हैं अंडर द चेस्ट, देयर वाज अ क्रैक. माई माउथ फिल्ड विद ब्लड. एंड जो नरेटर थे उनके पूरे मुंह के अंदर क्या भर गया था? ब्लड. एंड ब्रोकन टीथ, और उनके दांत टूटे हुए थे. क्योंकि उनके दांत टूटे थे उसकी वजह से उनके मुंह के अंदर ब्लड भर गया था. Somehow I found the wheel. Somehow means he tried and he found anyhow. किसी तरह उनको wheel मिल जाता है अपनी शिप का. Lined up the stern for the next wave and hung on. Then he was there. He waited for the next wave. वहाँ पे लटक के उन्होंने इंतज़ार किया उस व्हील को पकड़ के, जो कहाँ पे था? उनकी शिप में. अब यहाँ तक हमने आज फिनिश कर लिया. वी हैव फिनिश्ड till here. Rest of the text we will discuss in our next class. Okay, thank you.